Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy here, Edward from Africa. Guys, today I'm at the Mijikenda land. I'm going to prepare for you the delicious meal of the Mijikenda land so that you can enjoy with me. So after there, you will tell me how the video is. You tell me how delicious the food is. So join me while I'm cooking for you this food, and I hope you will enjoy. What I urge you guys is to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also like this video so that I can get many views and watch hours. God bless you while you are accompanying me in this cooking. Let's head there to the cooking. So guys, this is the 3 cooking fire. I'm going to burn this fire so that I can use it while I'm cooking this delicious meal for you. So stay tuned in my channel. Let me show you on how to start the fire in the 3 cooking fire stone. So these are the firewood and these are the ingredients. Before I show you the ingredients, let me show you on how to start the fire at these 3 cooking fire stone. Join me while I'm just burning this fire here. Matchbox. So this is how I'm going to start this fire. So guys, the fire has ignited. You can see the smoke, you can see the firewood there. So I'm arranging the firewood in this. Then I'm going to start cooking for you the delicious meal in this Mijikenda land. Stay tuned in my channel guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you are a new friend in this channel. Support your boy here, Edward, the village boy from Africa. So you can see the fire has started, has ignited. There is some smoke there. I'm starting because I don't want it to choke me. So the fire has ignited guys. Let me put some water here that I'm going to use it. This is the cooking pot. It is known as sufuria in Swahili. You can see how black it is. You can see inside. It is made of aluminium. And this is the jerrycan that has some water inside. The fire is there, you can see the oils and you can see the ingredients. So let me show you on how to place this water in the fire. So I'm placing the water so that it can boil. These are the things that I'm going to use it for the cooking of this delicious meal. I want to show you on how I'm going to arrange them. This is the cooking spoon. It is made of a stick. This is the knife that I'm going to peel out that delicious meal. I'm going to show that delicious meal. These are the tomatoes. You can see how good they are. These are the banana. I'm going to mix it with that delicious meal. I'm going to show you. Just stay tuned to see them. These are the ingredients. These are the onions. You can see. This is the milk. This milk I'm going to add it to that delicious meal instead of coconut. For here I don't have a coconut, so I'm going to use this instead of using the coconut. So this is the delicious meal that I'm going to prepare for you. It is known as cassava in Mijikenda. I'm going to show you on how to peel it, and I'm going to show you on how to place it on the fire so that it can boil, and then we cook it like mixing it with the banana there. Another cassava is here. There are 4 in number. This is the cooking oil. These are the carrots. I'm going to mix them there. This is the salt. You can get this one at 10 bob. That is $0.1 in my Kenyan country. And also these are the berry pepper. You can see how they are green in color. And this is another cooking pot. It's made of the aluminium. So guys, these are my ingredients. You can see them. You can see the water is boiling, so that when I'm peeling this cassava, I'm going to press it there so that it can boil. And then after boiling, I'm going to cook it, to fry it with these all ingredients. So stay tuned to see the next step that I'm going to take from here. So guys, you can see I want to peel this cassava here. First of all, I'm cutting them in pieces. So I want to start to peel them. This is how you peel this cassava. Then after peeling, I'm going to press them inside here. So guys, I have peeled these all cassavas outside of this covers, so I want to wash them. So guys, after peeling out this cassava, you need to wash them. So I'm going to show you on how to wash them. So after peeling out, it's time for washing them. Then after washing, you need to rinse them. Now, after rinsing them, I need to add them in this water that is boiling here. This water that is boiling here, after just adding them inside here, I need to cover this. So I need to cover this so that they can boil for like 30 minutes. Then let's go and peel this bananas here. I want to peel this banana so that I can add them in this cassava. So stay tuned guys. So guys, after finishing peeling out that cassava for it to boil there, I want to peel out this banana to mix them with that cassava so that I can make that delicious food that I want to show you. So this is how it goes. So this is how I'm going to cut them into pieces. Then after cutting them into pieces, I need to wash them. Then I add them into that cooking pot that has cassava inside. Now I'm going to mix them. So after mixing that cassava with the banana inside, then let them boil for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I'm going to remove them so that I can fry them with that onion, tomato, bell pepper, and cooking oil. So just have a look of this. Let us wait it for 30 minutes. That is it, guys. African village life. So guys, I want to cut these ingredients here. This is the onion, the tomato, carrot, and the bell pepper to mix them with cassava delicious meal there. So let me show you on how to peel out this one, to cut them, then I will mix them there, then after there I will show you on how the delicious meal is. Stay tuned in my channel. Let me wash them this here, you can see them. I want to cut them into pieces. I'm peeling out the onion. Carrot, I'm peeling out. I have no gillette here, so I need to use the knife. You can use the knife in another way. After I have peeled out, I've cut this into pieces. I want to check my cassava there. So guys, after 30 minutes, I'm going to check my cassava inside here. Now my cassava is now ready. I want to mix it with that ingredient there, the onion, tomato, and the bell pepper. So I want to cook it in another way. So this is how it goes. After some time, I want to fry it with this cooking oil here. I'm adding the cooking oil. Adding the onion inside. I'm going to add this tomato. So I need to cover this so that they can boil for some like 5 minutes. This is my cassava, guys. I'm gonna put it here. So let those ingredients boil. So guys, after 5 minutes, it is time now to add this my ingredient food here. Then, after adding my ingredient food, I need to add some small salt. Then after adding the salt, I'm going to add small amount of milk instead of coconut because I have no coconut. Then after adding small amount of milk inside there, so let me mix this food here. So guys, the food is ready. Now it is ready to be served. I want to serve this food. Now it is ready. Now ready. I'm having a taste for you. Join me while I'm going to eat this delicious food. It's a boy African news reporter. I'm in the rural village life in Africa. This is cassava. You can see how the ingredients are mixed inside there. It is very delicious, guys. Very delicious. Welcome to Africa. Yeah, bro. How do you feel about the food? The food is so for good. Okay, bro. Okay. What about you, my friend?
Yeah, the food is so nice.
Yes.
So delicious. The Mijikenda people, they actually prefer this food because it is so good. Yeah,
Okay.
so sweet, actually.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.